Hi guys, I'm back with another easy recipe and today we are making basic vanilla sponge. So let's begin. It's only four ingredients, is without oil, without butter, without any rising agent like baking powder. We'll start with taking a clean and dry bowl. Then add 4 eggs and start beating it with a beater. Your beater should also be dry. Now we have to beat these eggs until it's pale yellow color. It will take around 5 minutes. And if you don't want to get tired of beating, so you can take a support of any pot, turn it upside down and you can place your beater on it. We'll add few drops of vanilla essence. Now we'll add sugar in 3 portions. When you add sugar, you will notice that your eggs are getting doubled in size and it will soon change into pale yellow color. When your batter start making ribbons like this, now it's the time we'll add our plain flour to this mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of plain flour and mix gently without removing the air bubbles from the egg mixture. So cake batter is ready. Line your cake mold with only parchment paper. Don't oil it, otherwise it's not going to rise and your cake will collapse. Now use a toothpick to take out all the air bubbles from the mixture. You have to preheat your oven when you start making your cake. Bake this cake at 160 centigrade for around 25 to 30 minutes. Check it with a toothpick and cool it down for 5-10 minutes. Then remove it from the cake pan and place it on a wire rack. A basic sponge cake is ready. Also check how I made this basic sponge cake into Turkish milk cake. Eat with joy. See you next time.